Want to make images like this, this, or this? Stick around, I'll show you. Hey guys, pvpnoob here. Welcome to another noob video. Just kidding. Today, this is just a video of me teaching you guys how to make a 3D render of your Minecraft skin. And guys, according to YouTube, only a very tiny percentage of you are subscribed. So scroll down. You know the drill. Drop a like, subscribe, hit notification, and also I want you to destroy that comment section. And I'm now trying to stream on Twitch, so check me out at pvp_noob80 there. And I'll see you in the video. And yeah, let's jump right into it. I didn't mean to jump into the void. Once you download it, you can install it, and this is very easy. So now create new project. Yes, I made a logo for my friend as well. So now hit new project. I can name it my logo for YouTube. Now description author, you can just put that blank. And now we have this, plain ground and the sky. Now, so first thing you have to do, go to background, scroll all the way down, and show ground. Turn that off. So now when you put your player, it's just flying. Now you can go around. Look, like you can hold and go around, and also zoom in, zoom out is by scrolling. And now you hit this block over here and hit character. Now use human, zombie, skeleton, whatever, but I'm going to press human. Since my character is a slim character, I'm going to use Alex. Hit Alex, and you can browse it if you have downloaded your skin, but then I think I already deleted it like years ago. So I'm going to download from Minecraft users. Now type my username, which will be pvpnoob80, and I'll just grab that skin. And you can just type what your name is, like for my friend Gabuckets, and for Game Boy, you just type Game Boy. You can just download people's skins and hit create. So now you have this model of yourself. This is just plain and very ugly, so I'll hit save now. And if you want to add swords like this, I am though. So for this logo, I'm gonna use a sword. Now hit that right or left arm, and you can bend it. You can make it look good, whatsoever, like that. You can just move it in any sort of way you want, like that. And I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna go for the other hand, and I'm gonna do that. Undo that. Control Z to undo, and I'm gonna bend that halfway. It's just your preference. You don't have to copy every single thing I'm doing, because just add your own creativity in it, and just grab a mic. I have a undo toy, and I'm gonna go move this up over here. Does that look good? Looks terrible. Put that over there. Does that look good? I don't know. It's just your preference. I'm not very good at this mine-imator thing, but I definitely know how to do it, at least. Okay, I think that's good for a first sword. I'm gonna rotate it. What's so good is that you have Control Z. You can undo things. And then I'm gonna move this a bit. There we go. Okay, that was a good first sword. Very simple. Now you have to copy that. We have so much blocks here that mine-imator offers. You also can, browse blocks. You also can add texture packs, but we're not gonna dive that far for today. We're not even gonna add a background for today because you have to create a Minecraft worlds and stuff. So we're just gonna add a background after this. So now I'm gonna create another sword. I'm just gonna go up that didn't go very well. And just, go do that. Rotation, you just whoop. That didn't do anything. Y, yep, yeah, beautiful. There, what? Just undo the second one. Control Z is very helpful. And there we go. We have 2 swords in our hand. And I look like a god now. Okay. I'm not actually flying. We're gonna remove that after. Hit the leg and then you can bend it. This again, very, am I recording? I'm recording, right? Yeah. This is just self-preference, as I said. It's not necessary. But then, mine-imator makes it all easy. That's what's so good. Undo that. Undo that. I forgot to select the leg. And, just... So this is what I love about mine-imator. Just makes everything easy. There we go. We have our beautiful Minecraft character. Also, don't forget to save so you can come back. It's just, kind of necessary. And then, since mine-imator is very much for videos, like you can animate stuff, you see timelines. That's how people, like most people, make animation, Minecraft 3D animations. But then for now, we're not gonna dive that in, so we're gonna go save. So this is for saving videos, movie file. This is for saving a Minecraft file. I mean a image file. So now go click this thing, change your resolution. For me, I'm gonna make it FHD or full high definition, whatever. And I'm gonna hit remove background, remove the sky, not the ground, but then just remove the sky, and yeah. And click high quality rendering. This all, is your soft preference. As I said, you can change that by yourself easily. Now hit save, and just select the place you want to save it. Okay, that image saved. That's very nice. Now you may close. You can close mine-imator. Okay guys, as you can see, this is free, so it has a watermark, but it's on the side, so you can easily crop it with apps like Paint or Photoshop easily. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please drop a like, subscribe, hit notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.